Let's see how to block someone on Facebook on your iPhone. So you just need to open the app and look here for friends. And from here, you tap on your friends and just look for the friends you want to block, okay? Let me just come all the way down here and find an example of a friend that I want to block here on Facebook. So you see that I have a lot of them. Then I just come here to this one. Let's say I want to block it. I just come here to the three dots, tap on it, and here you have the options to unfollow this friend. You can block or you can unfriend. If I come here to block this friend, you see there's this option here, this confirmation, and it says people you block can no longer tag you, invite you to events, groups, start a conversation, and everything else. You just hit here block, and you're good to go. Now this friend is blocked, and you can see later on the menu from the blocked friends, okay? And here you also see the message that you're blocking this person. I hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can block somebody on Facebook on your iPhone. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.